In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a children's book using Nano Banana. This is a fun and creative way to bring your storytelling ideas to life, especially if you're a budding author with a flair for capturing young imaginations. Let's dive right into the process and see how you can seamlessly craft a book that's visually captivating and tells a delightful story. First, let's begin by heading over to Google Gemini. This is the platform where Nano Banana now integrates, providing an incredibly intuitive starting point for crafting your book. Once you're there, you'll want to generate a story. Nano Banana makes this easy by allowing you to input a title or a brief description of what you'd like your story to be about. This AI-powered tool will take your input and create a complete narrative fit for children, helping you lay the groundwork for your book with engaging content. Now that you've got your story, it's time to move on to generating the illustrations that will bring your narrative to life. Nano Banana allows you to create beautiful custom images that match the story's theme. Simply use prompts to detail what kind of imagery you visualize and let the AI work its magic. The goal here is to produce unique illustrations for each page that will captivate young readers. After setting up your prompts, you'll use the Generate button to let the AI apply a style that fits your story and illustrations. Keep an eye on how these styles enhance the visuals and complement the narrative, making sure everything is aligned with the tone and spirit of your story. Once you're satisfied with the final style of your images, you can move forward by downloading the illustrations with their new font style. Pay attention to the cohesive look and feel of these images, as they will be a key component of your book's charm and appeal. With your illustrations in hand, it's time to head over to Canva, a user-friendly design tool that's perfect for assembling your book. Begin by searching for children's book templates. These will provide the structure you need, with square formats often working best for such projects. Once you've selected a template, simply drag and drop your downloaded images onto the pages, positioning them within the template to fit the flow of your story. As you arrange the content, refine the layout by tweaking the arrangement of images and text to create a visually balanced page. Be meticulous with the text, proofreading and editing as needed to ensure it reads engagingly and is suitable for your young audience. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted children's book using Nano Banana and Canva. This process not only allows you to tell a story creatively, but also provides the tools to make your vision a reality ready to inspire and delight young minds. Enjoy your journey as a creator and storyteller,